subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Earlier today, Realme held an AI at launch conference in Malaysia. During this event, the company announced various smartphone products, including new wireless earphones, Bluetooth speakers, and even the Realme Watch 2 Pro. The device is the latest wearable product from the company and sports a 1.75-inch colored display that has a 320 by 285 px resolution. This panel has a maximum brightness of 600 nits and a 30 Hz refresh rate. The Chinese tech giant even offers an IP68 water rating and claims that the device can offer up to 14 days of battery life with its 390 mAh inbuilt battery pack. Similar to most smartwatches, the Watch 2 Pro also offers an optical heart rate sensor, and even blood oxygen monitoring as well. It can even track the heart rate of the user, map their blood oxygen levels, and even track sleep cycles, steps, calories consumed, distance covered, and more. Furthermore, it also offers high-precision dual satellite GPS tracking and offers 90 different sports modes as well. This includes activity modes like outdoor running, walking, football, basketball, badminton, jump rope, and various other sports as well. The Watch 2 Pro can be connected to the user's smartphone through the Realme Link app, which also offers additional functionality as well. It is currently available in Malaysia for a price of 299 Malaysian ringgit, roughly $72, and is offered in two color variants, namely space gray and metallic silver. Although the wearable is expected to hit markets in other countries as well soon. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.